It's Damp TV! Good evening, YouTubers. In today's video, you're going to see a failed waterproofing system at a property that we'll call out to in Barnsley. They're having an extension. An extension's been built onto their existing property, and what's happened is they had some water come through, and it came down with there's like a column, and they contacted us last year and picked his brains about it. So they had the builders in who ripped all front of house open, and they did some inside round columns, and it seemed to have fixed it. But then another area's come back wet, which you'll see is straight down joint between extension and existing building. So just watch it and have a look and see why it's become wet. It's looking back now, it's quite obvious, but I hope you enjoy the film, and if you subscribe, you'll see a few more of these. So enjoy the film. Morning, happy Monday, Damp Sam here. I've got this job, and it's a failed waterproofing system. We're in Pogmoor in Barnsley, and what's happened is this is an earth retaining wall. They've had some work done on it, and they're wanting to find out where there's a leak coming in. Now, the architect that they've spoke to us said to take a block out, which I don't want to be doing, but we're going to take one out anyway, because he thinks that where the existing building is, which is this side, and the new extension bit which were built, then he seems to think that the waterproofing in between has not been bonded, which is be coming up to here and coming up to there. Now, problem is the architect is not familiar with BS 8102, he's not an expert with it. And I'm not a professor at it, but I know more than architect. What I've recommended is a type C system to put on inside, but they've asked us to come and just look at it and strip everything back and just see if we can see if there's all going on, and then maybe take a block out, which is what we're going to do. So first thing I've noticed is this timber under here. I think this were part of shuttering, because there's concrete above it. So I just think this was part of the shuttering system, and all this is decayed up here. And then there's a membrane here, I don't know if you can see it, this thing here, and it's all ripped under here. And this membrane goes down into the back. Now, I'm going to take everything out that I can, and then just see what's going off. So that's my job this morning. So once I've ripped all this off, I can then have a better picture of what's happening. But still, my recommendations is going to be for a type C system to be put in. Once you put a type C system in, because they're having some renovation work done, once type C system goes in with a drainage system in, then, which can be gravity fed, so you don't have to pay for a pump because it's on a hill. Any ingress that does come in will just go down back up membrane into channel and then out. And if they put an independent stud wall up in front of it, then they're not going to have any issues. It'll be dry as a bone in here. So I'll see you at next video. It's Damp TV!